What if you witnessed something that looked completely wrong, but it was actually part of Allah's perfect wisdom? Imagine traveling with someone who damages a boat, takes the life of a child, and rebuilds a wall without asking for anything in return. Would you stay silent, or would you question everything? More than 1,400 years ago, Allah revealed one of the most mysterious and powerful journeys in the Quran, the journey of Musa alayhi salam and Khidr alayhi salam, a story about knowledge, patience, and trusting Allah even when life makes no sense. Prophet Musa alayhi salam was one of the greatest prophets ever sent. Allah spoke to him directly. He led Bani Israel. He witnessed miracles. But one day, something happened. According to authentic narrations, Musa alayhi salam was asked, "Who is the most knowledgeable person?" Musa alayhi salam answered, "I am." But Allah revealed to him there was a servant who had been given knowledge Musa did not possess. That servant was Khidr alayhi salam. And so, Musa began a journey, not to teach, but to learn. Musa alayhi salam traveled with his young companion. Allah gave them a sign. Where the fish disappears, that is where they would find the servant. After a long journey, they reached the place, and there they found Khidr alayhi salam, a servant blessed with knowledge from Allah. Musa alayhi salam respectfully asked, "May I follow you so that you teach me from what Allah has taught you?" Khidr replied, "You will not be able to remain patient with me." But Musa alayhi salam promised, "If Allah wills, you will find me patient." The journey began. They boarded a small boat. The owners welcomed them. Then, suddenly, Khidr damaged the boat. Musa was shocked. "How could you damage the boat of people who helped us?" Khidr reminded him, "Did I not tell you that you would not remain patient?" Musa apologized, but he still did not understand. Then they continued, and they met a young boy. Khidr took the life of the child. Musa could not stay silent. He said, "How could you take an innocent life?" Again, Khidr reminded him. Musa apologized once more, but his heart struggled to understand. Then they entered a town. They asked for food. The people refused to help them. But Khidr alayhi salam found a collapsing wall and repaired it without taking payment. Musa alayhi salam asked, "You could have asked for compensation." And then Khidr said, "This is where we part." Khidr finally explained. The boat belonged to poor people. A king was taking every good boat by force. The damage saved them. The child would have grown to become a source of pain and disbelief for righteous parents. Allah intended to replace him with someone better. And the wall belonged to 2 orphan boys. Under it was treasure left by their righteous father. Allah wanted to protect it until they became adults. Khidr said, "I did not do this of my own accord."
If you enjoyed this documentary, like, share, and subscribe for more authentic Islamic stories. Join us on this journey to discover the wisdom, history, and beauty of Islam.